Step 1. Arrange the parts neatly. Confirm the front and rear models and positions of the mud flaps. Tighten and fix the 5 panels together in sequence with screws and nuts according to the video. Step 3. Repeat the steps and complete the installation on the other side. Repeat the above steps to complete the installation of another piece. Step 2. Remove the bolts from the original vehicle. Align the L-shaped bracket with the original hole of the vehicle. Tighten and fix it with bolts. Step 3. Repeat the steps and complete the installation on the other side.